As a new swimmer, another breathing mistake or mistake I see people make when they're close to the wall is they get to thinking, I'm almost to the wall. I can just get to the wall to get that breath. This is where we see lots of rescues have to be made, right in this very closed zone. Two things we can do. One is head down so you're continuing to swim in. Or two, we can roll over. Even though you're very close to the wall, even though you're thinking, I can just get there. If you need air, we want to get air easily anytime you want, not make it dependent on getting to a particular destination. I can hang out, take my breath. Oh, gee, I bumped into the wall. I can still hang out, get my breath until I'm nice and calm. Then I can roll over and use the wall if I want. If you need this extra help to teach this or to learn it, I want to talk to you. Let me know that you are ready to take it the next step. Aloha!